Hey, how you doing, guys? So today I got my first car battery delivered to my home from Amazon, and I wanted to do a quick review of it and also to explain to you the steps you have to take when you buy a battery uh, online, because you can this video can save you a lot of headaches. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you. You got to follow them, because if you don't, you're going to install it and you're just going to waste a bunch of time. Okay. So first thing you got to do is when you open it, this is how I arrived with this registration card. Okay. First thing you got to do is make sure is the same as your old one. You got to make sure that your battery posts are on the same side, positive and negative, positive and negative, and also there are on the same side of the battery. Okay, so this is how it is. Then you don't even have to get it off the box yet, because you need to test it before you install it. You got to make sure that they shipped a good one. Okay, and this is one of the bad parts about buying online, because you need to have tools. Okay, you need to have a mechanical battery tested, and then you need to have a digital battery tested. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna check them before, and before you even check them, you gotta make sure that it's the same size too. Okay, this one looks about the same size, so I'm gonna get it out. Actually, it just looks like the same. So I'm just gonna test it before I even get it out. I don't want to unbox it if it's if it's damaged. Okay, so we're gonna test it first. Okay, so I installed my tester, uh, positive with positive, negative with negative, and here it is. This is the needle right there. It's reading that it's low. No, that is good. I'm sorry. It's right there, the red one. It said it's good. So now the way you test them is you're gonna apply pressure. You're gonna apply a load for 10 seconds. It says right there. Let's see where it is. Says, oh, it says right there. It said test time 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna press this for 10 seconds, and then look at that. It's gonna apply resistance, and as you go down, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you release, and look at that. It says that it's good. Okay, so you release, and they're saying it's a good battery. So now we're going to remove the charger. Okay, so before I remove it, I'm going to show you what kind of charger I'm getting. I have, this is the OTC 130 amp heavy duty battery load tester. Okay, so you need one of these. I really like this one because this one applies a resistance. It applies a load, which has a resistance, and it really tells you in simple color, simple letters, if it's good or bad. Okay, so you need one of these if you're planning on buying your batteries online. Then you need to buy yourself one of these. Okay, so right now it was right there. If it's a weak one, it would say right there. Oh, let's go ahead and test the old one. Okay, I have connected the old one just so you guys can see. This one is it's in the weak side. Look at the voltage. It tells you the voltage right there. 10 is about 10.50, 1040. Okay, which is correct. Look, I'm gonna put some load and look at what's gonna happen. It goes all the way to the weak. So that means it's no good. This one, if I charged it, it was good. but then it would die. It would not start again. So yeah, there you go. See the proof that you need one of these. So we tested that one with this one, and now you need one of these, a digital one. This one it's a little pricey. This one ranges from $50 to $100, depending where you buy it. This one, I just got this one. This is a beautiful one from Temu. And this one actually was like $7. So, but I do have a more pricey one. This one was about $30. These both are USB rechargeable, so they're pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna hook them up, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here they are. They are plugged in, and look at that, 12.74. So this is a great voltage for a battery. So we have confirmed digitally and mechanically that the battery is good. So after this, we proceed to take it out. Okay, once it's outside, the next step is to measure it. And the next step is to make sure that they're about the same size and the same height, because they need to be strapped in your car. So this one is about 8 inches, and the original one is about 8 inches. So that means is the same height. Okay, and then you're gonna measure it. This one is a little bit less. It's about 8 something, and this one is about 8 something. Okay, so that means it's going to fit. So there you go, fellas. That's what you do, because it's ready for installation now, and now you know that it's going to work. Now you know that it's going to work, and you're free to install it. There you go. There's your 3-year warranty. Oh, and another thing that you have to do is keep track of when you buy it. Okay, so you get yourself one of these markers, and then you're gonna put your date. So okay, so you're gonna put when you bought it, so you can claim your warranty, so you are aware of. So I bought this around 9. Today is the 28th, and it came like in 2 days. So let's say 9/27. Okay, so there you go, and then you can put more. You can put more details where you bought it. Amazon. Okay, so there you go. What else did I mention? I don't know if I mentioned the advantages of having an AGM battery, because these spill and it gets your battery post corroded, and now this one's going to be cleaner. Okay, so there you go, fellas. This is a complete setup instructions before you even install it, so you don't waste your time. If this is bad and you pay a mechanic to install it, you're gonna have to pay the mechanic's time, and then you're gonna have to return it, and then you have to pay the mechanic again. So anyway, and if you install it yourself, you're gonna waste a lot of time installing it yourself. So, and then take it off the car, box it, return it. So anyway, so this is good right now. So it's good to go. All right, guys. Hope you like this review of my purchase on Amazon, a delivered battery at home, and I hope you appreciate the instructions I gave you, because they're crucial when you order online. All right. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Goodbye, amigos.